I am a doctor of aesthetic medicine, so I only use the needle, not the scalpel. So what I'm amazed by with dermal fillers are the results we can achieve now without the scalpel. So we can do all sorts of things and we achieve all sorts of results which were only possible through a surgeon's scalpel in the past. So for instance, the WOW treatments are the myeloclinia that we use, which include filling eye bags. We can now get rid of most tear troughs, dark circles and eye bags under the eyes. We can now straighten noses. So we can literally, the most hooked of noses with the drop tips or uneven noses after rhinoplasties, we can even and make beautiful with the hyaluronic acid fillers. We can do the Nefertiti neck lift, where we can, the jowly areas which start drooping with time, we can refill that deflated balloon and tighten the jowl. And moreover, we can actually do a non-surgical facelift, where with an 8-point facelift, where we can place careful boluses of a chosen filler in areas of the face to tighten the face, lift it, rejuvenate it in a very, very natural way and produce amazing results. The latest advancements in dermal fillers are the skin boosters and the Juvederm Volite, which is a bit like a medical mesotherapy where we put lots of little boluses of filler all over the face like in medical mesotherapy and we cause beautiful skin rejuvenation.